Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python interactive mode or command prompt. So first of all, what is this Python interactive mode? So basically in Python, we can do Python coding or Python programming in the form of Python commands. And this is done in command prompt, and technically it is known as Python interactive mode. So this is mainly used for education and training purpose or testing purpose. So the advantage is simple and easy learning mechanism, right? So for this Python interactive mode, we have to type the py command or Python command in command prompt. Okay, py or Python command. Okay, so let us open the command prompt in our operating system, terminal or shell in other operating system. Go to your working directory and type Python. Okay, so you will get the Python interactive mode. So here I can type print hello. So it will print as it is on the command prompt. No need to write a Python program. Similarly, I can make arithmetic operations in print. For example, print 10 plus 20. Semicolon is not required because we are writing a single statement. That is the answer. So it will evaluate 10 plus 20 and give the answer as 30. Next, I can take variables also. Okay, so we'll take A 11 semicolon or delimiter, B 11. So since we are using a single line command, use semicolon. Enter. So now perform A plus B, which is 22, or sum equal to A plus B. Okay, right? And then say print sum 22, or directly I can print sum. The variable sum is 22. I can print A, I can print B. I can also say print A and then print B. I will get the answer as 11, 11. Okay, right. So B is also taking 11 only. Yes, A11, B11. Now I'll change B is equals to 22. It will replace the previous value. Now say A plus B, you will get the answer as 33. 11 plus new value of B is 22. Right. So now we can also print multiple statements in the interactive mode or Python command prompt in a single line. Hi semicolon, print hello semicolon, print welcome semicolon. So semicolon is compulsory, delimiter is compulsory because we are doing multiple statements in a single line, and every print prints the data in the new line. Hi, hello, welcome. And how to come out of this? Okay, Python interactive mode, it's very simple. We have to use exit function. It will again come back to the operating system command prompt. So again, to enter we have to use py or Python command. Okay, again I can say here print hello. Now I can say A. I will get a error, name error, A is not defined. So A is defined in the previous session. So since we have said exit, it has erased all the variables from the memory. Again I have to define A 11, B 22. Now say A 11, B 22, A plus B 33, or print A plus B, right, 33. So if I say exit, again all the variables will be erased from the memory of the Python interactive mode. It will come back to the command prompt of the operating system, terminal or shell of the operating system. So this is how we are supposed to work with Python interactive mode for Python coding directly in the form of command prompts. So that is what is all about Python interactive mode or command prompt of Python, which is mainly used for easy and quick learning of Python for education and training as well as for testing purpose. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.